So we're in Clovis, California, take a look at a leak that the homeowners have downstairs coming through the ceiling. And there's all kinds of possibilities up here. You got the drain at the bottom of the tub. You got the overflow. You got the tub spout where water can get through. You got the shower cover plate here. And of course, shower arm coming out of the wall. So any number of things could be going on. Looking in the wall here up at the valve, I don't see any water on anything. As far as the structure, the framing, the copper tubing, the PEX pipe. We do see some calcification on the valve here and underneath, so you've got a little leak out of the cartridge. So, minimum I recommend replacing the cartridge when you get a chance, but it's not actively leaking. It's just, you can see the scale, the white, that's from water rolling down. And so anyways, cartridge replacement. Down here you can see a lot of mold behind the valve. And of course, it looks like someone tried to seal this in with some caulking from below. They just squirted a bunch of it in place to try and keep it from leaking. And unfortunately, it didn't work. And so we ran a lot of water. We checked the drain at the bottom. No water leaking there. We took water and we just doused it right here. This overflow is a little low. You can see the plastic on the top, and then there's the plastic on the bottom disappears. So at the bottom it's plastic up against tub, which is not a great seal, and then at the top you got rubber. So it's only off like about a quarter of an inch, but so that's a potential, but we did flood it with water. We didn't get any water downstairs. You can see there's lots of corrosion on these two screws, so you've been getting some water through here. And so you might want to address that, or we can maybe take some silicone and just silicone this thing in place. That way it's make sure nothing's going on. Here we've got all kinds of like growth behind it, and so I think this is your major culprit. We poured a lot of water around the top of the tub spout when it was in place across the top, and got water out at the bottom. So we're going to seal this. We're going to seal this. They got a lot of movement in the wall as well, and then you can let it dry, and you'll have to monitor it for any further leaking.